you know what? We had a few beers, right? And we're thinking, feeling a bit peckish, yeah?
A little bit peckish. We're in the pub.
And
we saw the red light of dreams.
We saw a red light and we're like, do you know what? Morley! Let's give it a rate, alright?
So I'll see what let's see what Boss Man is saying.
2-piece, 4 wings, fries and a drink. $3.99 or $2.99? Fuck knows. Fuck knows. Maybe a triple. Burger. Ripped it.
And that's like over time. One. See what Boss Man says. Enter the dragon.
What are you getting?
6 wings and
6 wings and
chips.
chips?
And a little drink and tea. See what's sad. Morley's Wandsworth Tam. Chips were a bit flat, man, a bit flat as a pancake. A little bit soggy. The volume was alright, but a little bit too much salt.
Yeah.
Chips were a bit meh, as we say in South East London. Meh. But yeah, not a fan of the chips. Probably give it a 6 out of 10.
What drink did you get?
Apple Tango, old school, from my old school ravers. Woof. Well, I only knew they sold Apple Tango the other day, but my boy Phyllis got Apple Tango. Apple Tango's an old school favourite.
Big up, Phyllis!
Big up, Phyllis. It was a little bit warm though. It was in the fridge, but Boss Man gave me a little bit. It was a little bit like he just put it in there about 5 minutes ago. But still, Apple Tango, yeah, we'll give it an 8 out of 10, man. 8 out of 10. Chicken.
When it's shut down, that's not me and it's shut down.
Man's a fan of W12 fish and chicken, bang bang. Morley's chicken, kind of blew it out of the park.
Overall?
Morley's Wandsworth Town, 8 out of 10.
That's a good 8.
8 out of 10. Solid 8, solid 8.
Peace out.
Confiscate. See you later.
Shut down. Yeah.
Done, no?